Explain the use of all-in-one machines and printers. First, the printer has two wires. One is the power cord. The power cord powers it. The other is a USB connection to the computer, which can be connected to the all-in-one through an extension cable. There is a key behind the all-in-one machine to open it. Behind the door is the host of the all-in-one machine. On the left is an optional external network. Plug it in and you can connect to the external network. The two USB jacks are respectively connected to the wireless keyboard and mouse receiver and the printer extension cable. On the far right are the power cord and the power switch for the power supply. Turn on the switch and press the button to turn on the device. You can see the host light up red, then wait for a while. The whole screen and computer will start up. All the software in it has been set up. After the power is turned on, follow the wiring in this way and it can be used normally after the wiring is completed. Note that the position of the printer is to put paper. Then the print side is placed face up. Then gently clamp the paper. This is the printer switch. Requires a selection of 4x6 paper. There are also a for paper, printing paper, and instructions, ink and inker. After starting, you will enter the main interface of changing clothes. You can choose the clothing style and you can also adjust the clothing location. After the adjustment is complete, you can click to take a photo. Select the print button after taking a photo. The photo will be output after the printing is completed. There are two ways to shut down the device. The first is through the keyboard and mouse. Then use the normal shutdown method normally. The second is to directly press the switch position. Click it once. Then the whole system will shut down normally. Black screen after shutdown.